My wife says I don't have a heart.
So I'll turn you just a little bit here so I can get in here. So here's the thing. The ideal tourniquet is a windless tourniquet. We know that that's going to really help with occluding this. Now, what can I do to help? Right? We know we have direct pressure. So let's say he's bleeding anywhere from here. Can I stop him just by doing direct pressure? So I'm pushing on his artery right here and pushing against his humerus bone. So I can slow it down, but I have to do a lot of force, and I can't hold this all day. So if I let off a little bit, it's going to come right back. Once we'll kind of reposition and get it. So we know a tourniquet works ideal, but this is why there's other tools out there. The Swat-T tourniquets, they are a great option. I don't necessarily say they are the primary tourniquet, but it's a great alternate, or if you have multiple patients. The way I like to use it, I start with one wrap around the arm, and then this next one is the crucial one. I take a big bite, and I get one bite down, and then I keep going. And because you have a large surface area here, you can really get a lot of good occlusion. And what we do at the end here, you'll see this is called a stretch, wrap, and tuck, the Swat-T. I leave a little V here on the bottom, like this, and then I just tuck it in underneath. So can we find a pulse on him? No pulse. So some people say the only tourniquets are the windless tourniquets when it comes to the commercial grade. This will work because it really can maintain that consistent pressure circumferential around the arm. It's a great option, but there's a huge learning curve. You really got to know what you're doing. You really got to pull tight. When you give it to a civilian that has no training, they tend to not putting on. So there's a positive, there's a negative to it, but like any tool, learn how to use it. So this is the Swat-T tourniquet. I really like this because if you know how to use it, it works very well. Good. We'll get you some circulation back.
Where's my guy? Here.